Good evening, I'm Dr. Thaddeus John Bell. One of the things that I've always done most of my life is to work out. Run, swim, or do something to be active. I thought it would be interesting today to give you a few tips about exercising and how to stay healthy. First of all, I would like to encourage you that if you have not seen your doctor and you have not been exercising on a regular basis, it would be a good idea to see your physician to make sure that you don't have any underlying medical issues that you are not aware of, like heart disease. Your doctor will know exactly what to do. Tell him that you're interested in starting a fitness routine. Also explain to him that you've not worked out in a long time and you need to have medical issues checked out that may be detrimental to your running, etc. Now, a couple of health tips that I find to be very helpful. It's very, very important to warm up properly. I think that if you're going to do some running, you may want to walk a couple of blocks just to kind of warm up your muscles and to get your breathing right. Secondly, I would encourage you to go slow. You know, one of the main reasons that people start a workout program and then end up stopping a week or two later is that they try to go too fast. So go slow, move into it very, very slowly. Next, don't try to work out too hard. When you have been away from doing exercise for a long time and you try to go at it very, very hard, you're likely to get hurt. You're likely to pull a muscle. You're likely to develop some ankle problems or maybe some foot problems or some knee problems. So I would recommend that you go very, very slowly and do not go hard. Next, I would encourage you to drink plenty of fluids before you work out. Gatorade and these energy drinks are okay, but the best fluid that you can drink is water. So drink plenty of water before going to work out. You will feel better doing the workout and you will also feel better after the workout. I would also recommend that you stop when you feel something may be wrong. If you experience chest pain, don't try to work out through the chest pain. You may be having a heart attack. If your knee starts hurting, stop. If anything starts hurting you, stop. Listen to your body because it will not lead you wrong. Also wear the appropriate amount of clothing when working out. I find that it's very comfortable to wear nylon shirts when you're working out because they have a tendency to absorb sweat. But do not wear tight, constricting clothing that will have an effect on your body eliminating heat. And of course, the opposite is true if you're working out in very, very cool weather. You want to wear the appropriate amount of clothing to make sure that you stay warm. I find it very, very convenient and also very pleasant to work out in the early morning when the sun has just come up and it's very, very cool. Usually try to do it around 6 o'clock because in Charleston, South Carolina, by 8 o'clock, it's pretty hot. I also would encourage you to find a friend that you enjoy being with, somebody that you enjoy talking with. They also make the workout very pleasant and make it go very, very fast. One of the other reasons that I like to work out with friends is because on days which I very well may not want to do it, I know that my friend is going to be at the designated place and I'm almost obligated to be there with him. or hurt. So I would encourage you to work out with a friend. Working out can be very, very beneficial to your health, and I hope that you will find these health tips helpful. I'm Dr. Thaddeus John Bell, closing the gap in health disparities for African Americans and for the underserved.